Hello, guys. How are you? And I welcome you to Gramster on a brand new video. And today's topic is 5 common grammar mistakes and how we can fix them. So let's start. So the number one mistake that most of us do, that is subject verb agreement. What kind of mistake do we do? That is, she go to school every day. The books is on the table. No, it should be she goes to school and the books are on the table, right? So how we can fix them? We should match the subject and verb in number. For example, if the subject is singular, we should always use singular verb. If the subject is plural, we should always use plural verb. Like, he don't like apples. No, no, no. It should be, he does not like apples. Okay? So now, friends, it's time for a small quiz. Who can give me the answer? Please comment down the answer as soon as possible. Let's see who gives the correct answer fast. So the dog run fast or the dog runs first? Which one is the correct answer? The second mistake that most of us do is misuse of prepositions. What kind of mistakes? Like, I am good in English. No, it should be I am good at English. She is married with a doctor. No, it should be she is married to a doctor. So how we can fix them? How we can fix our errors that we are making? We have to practice more and more and we have to read texts more and more. Like, he depends in his parents. No, it should be he depends on his parents. Again, now it's a quiz time. Fill in the blank. She is interested dash music. Who can tell me the answer? Kindly comment down first. Now it's time for the third one, that is wrong use of tenses. I am going to market yesterday. She has seen him last week. Both are using the past tense, right? Means both the events have been done in the past time. Then why we are using present? This is the error that we are making. We should always use that tense in which the action is happening. For example, if the action had happened in the past, we will use the past tense. If it is happening now, present tense. If it will happen in the future, then future tense. For example, he go to the park yesterday. No, he went yesterday. So it should be he went to the park yesterday. Now again, time for the quiz. She ate lunch at 2 p.m. yesterday. If it is correct, comment down correct. If it is wrong, kindly write the correct sentence and comment it down. Now the fourth one, that is apostrophe misplacement. Do you know with a single apostrophe, the meaning of some sentences, meaning of some words changes? Like, it's a sunny day. ITS, it's. If you are using apostrophe, that means it is. The cats are playing. The cats, C-A-T apostrophe is. That means it is singular. But we are referring to the plural form of cat, right? C-A-T-S. Cats are playing. Instead of cat, we are cat, C-A-T-S. We are writing C-A-T apostrophe S. Then it should be wrong. We should always write C-A-T-S if we are referring to the plural form of cats. So we should always remember that apostrophe is not used for any plural subject, right? And IT apostrophe S means it is. Now again it's time for quiz. Correct the sentence. It's a beautiful garden. If it is correct, kindly comment down correct. If it is not correct, kindly write the correct answer and comment it down as fast as possible. And last but not the least, sentence fragment errors. What is it? Fragments means pieces, right? So if we are writing sentence in pieces, in small pieces, it is not giving us any complete meaning, complete information. Because he was late, running down the street. So what? Because he was late, okay. Why? Why he was late? What happened? If he was late, what happened? What's the deal? No information we have. Running down the street. Who is running? Why that the person is running or what is running? No correct information, no full information. So we should ensure that each and every sentence that we are speaking, we are writing, it should contain a subject and a verb. And always avoid incomplete sentences, because if you will not complete your sentence, you will not be able to express your complete thought, right? For example, while the sun was setting. Okay, fine, I understood the sun was setting. So what happened? My thought is not completing, right? I can't express it completely. So while the sun was setting, we took a walk. So I'm taking that while the sun was setting, we took a means maybe we had an evening walk. I was referring to that. So I have to write the sentence in a complete sense. Then only it will give us or express our thoughts completely. And it's time for the last quiz. You have to fix the fragment. Let me see who can fix the fragment as soon as possible after the rain stopped. It's up to you how you will complete this one. So thank you so much guys for staying with me till the last of this video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you want to see more and more such videos, such tips on English, spoken English, kindly be with me, support me by liking my video, commenting and sharing it with your near and dear ones. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.